Everyone thinks, and everyone thinks they're good at thinking. But good thinking is hard, and it doesn't come naturally. It's a skill that has to be learned and practiced. And it doesn't matter how smart or educated you are. No one can lie to us better than we can. So what is critical thinking? And how would you know if you are a critical thinker? Well, here are the 8 characteristics of critical thinkers. Number 1, critical thinkers are aware that their thinking is flawed and prone to errors. They recognize that their perceptions might not be accurate and that their memories are imperfect. And they understand that the shortcuts their brains take to help them make fast and easy decisions are prone to errors. Number 2, they think about how they think. They ask themselves how they know something, and they actively search for their knowledge blind spots and biases. They avoid emotional reasoning and intuition and instead activate higher level thinking that's slower and more deliberative. Number 3, they're curious and inquisitive. They want to learn, so they ask questions. And importantly, they're open to the answers, even if it's not what they want to hear. Number 4, they separate their identity from their beliefs. They recognize that it's difficult to challenge beliefs that are important to their sense of self, and they want to believe in things that are true and not believe in things that aren't true, even if it's uncomfortable. Basically, they'd rather get it right than be right. Number 5, they welcome criticism from others. They recognize that arguments are a collaborative process of searching for the truth, and they're able and willing to fairly evaluate other points of view. Number 6, they use evidence to arrive at conclusions, and they maintain a healthy level of skepticism. They're open to all claims, but require sufficient evidence before accepting them. Number 7, they avoid black and white thinking, and they're comfortable with ambiguity and uncertainty. They recognize that the world is complex and nuanced, and that distilling issues into 2 extremes can prevent them from understanding problems and finding solutions. And number 8, critical thinkers are humble. They're honest with themselves about what they know and what they don't know, and they avoid being overly confident. They recognize that they might be wrong, and they're willing to change their minds. The bottom line is, critical thinking is a skill that requires practice. Many of us need to relearn and fix old habits, but the world is full of misinformation, and the best way to avoid being misled is to take control of your thinking.